It lit up really bright on the It's lightning. It's not lightning in your bubbles though. I saw a bunch more birds heading that way. There goes some more heading that way. And they flying fast.
You're gonna get struck.
Whatever it is, I guess they're rolling the pit getting struck and staying in this area.
Getting dark.
Getting dark. Wanna leave town for a night?
No. We're gonna be leaving for 3 nights.
You're supposed to stay here for 3 nights?
No, we're going to be leaving.
Ah. That's a real train. That's my foot in the rail. Yeah, those cars are getting low. That's the car.
Come the rain. Get off the door.